Now we'll create our first AWS budget. To do so, access your console. When you click on Build, the billing option appears. By clicking on it, it leads you to a budget page, where you can find on top the expenses of the month, currently at $0. To make sure that we never exceed the content of the free offer, we'll create a budget. We can therefore create our first budget by selecting the Cost Budget option. It has to be given a name. You can choose, for example, AWS Training Course. Set the period to monthly and the budget effective dates to recurrent. For the date of beginning, choose the current month. You then have to define the amount of your budget. $10 is usually a good start, but it all depends on how much you're willing to invest in your AWS training. If you don't want to spend any money beyond the free package, you can set the limit to 1 cent. From now on, you are sure not to spend more than that amount on AWS, that is to say, a cent. The rest of the settings are optional. Once you're done defining the budget, you can set the alerts. We can define the way of sending our alerts depending on the real or forecasted costs. To be certain to never spend more than the amount defined on the previous page, it is necessary to click on Real Costs and to set the alert threshold to 100% of the forecasted amount. All that remains is to define the person to contact in case that amount exceeds. We can then confirm our budget. A recap appears. It indicates our monthly budget and also the estimated amount never to be exceeded. In this case, 10 cents. Once we confirm this information, our budget is created. If my budget exceeds 10 cents, I am sure to receive an email. During this training, you're not meant to spend money, but in case a mistake is made by, for example, leaving a few machines switched on, it can lead to additional expenses. In that case, you're certain to receive an alert so that you can control these extra costs. In case of an overspend, you can go to your bills and get a detailed breakdown of the billing. We are now ready to start the AWS training.